Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the Fidelity mobile app and how it helps you research and analyze stocks while on the move. If you're an investor looking for a convenient way to stay informed, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Set up your Fidelity account. Download the Fidelity mobile app from your app store and log in or create an account. Once inside, navigate to the home screen to access your portfolio and research tools. Search for stocks. Use the search bar to find stocks by name or ticker symbol. The app provides detailed insights, including current price, historical performance, and analyst ratings. Analyze performance. Dive deeper into stock performance with interactive charts. You can view data over various timeframes, such as daily, monthly, or yearly trends, to spot patterns and potential opportunities. We need to check key metrics. Explore fundamental data like price-to-earnings ratio, PE, earnings per share, EPS, and dividend yield. These metrics are essential for evaluating a stock's potential and understanding its value. Leverage research tools. Access Fidelity's in-app research reports and expert analysis for informed decision-making. The app also includes market news and sector trends to keep you updated. With the Fidelity mobile app, analyzing stocks is both simple and efficient, giving you the tools to make smarter investment decisions anytime, anywhere. Have you tried using the Fidelity app for stock research? Share your tips or questions in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing tutorials. See you next time.